Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video will be on the topic of beginner's makeup kit. So I know that lots and lots of people have no idea about makeup, like they don't know which products to buy. So today's video will be on that topic. I mean the products that you need as a beginner. You don't need to invest much because the products that I'll show are most of them are almost under 500 rupees. Only I guess only two products are there which are above rupees 500, like not more than 600. It's between 500 and 600, so not to worry about that. And without any more delay, let's move on to the video. The first thing that you need as a beginner in your makeup kit is a primer. For primer, I'll show you this one. This is from Blue Heaven. This is their Blue Heaven primer, perfect makeup base primer. The cost of it is rupees 300, around 300. It's a very nice primer. It's a silicone based primer. You can get this, or else you can get this one as well. This is from Purple. This is their 24K gold primer. This is also a silicone based primer. You can get this as well. The cost of it is rupees 450. Both of these primers are very nice. You can get any one of these. And if you want a dewy primer, like the primer that will give you a glow, an illuminating primer I mean, you can get this one. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is their real makeup base and I am in the shade 01 Natural Tint. I'm showing you the swatch. See. See. It's an illuminating primer. You can get this one as well. If you want a dewy makeup, you can get this as well. I'm suggesting all these three primers. You can get any of these. All of these three are under rupees 500. This cost for rupees 349. This one cost for rupees 450. And this one cost for rupees 300. These two are silicone based primer and this is not a silicone based primer, it's a dewy illuminating primer. The next thing that you need is a foundation. For foundation, I will suggest only one foundation. According to me, it's one of the best foundation that I've ever used. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is their matte plus poreless foundation for normal to oily skin. It's basically a matte foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. You can use this one, and if you want to test it, then you can get the smaller size as well. The smaller size retails for rupees 299 and this is the only product. This is the first product that is above rupees 500 because the cost of it is rupees, I guess the cost of it is rupees 549. It's one of the best foundations I have ever used. It has medium to high coverage and obviously you can build it up. So this is a foundation that I'll suggest you. You can also try the Lakme foundation, the primer plus matte one. It's also a nice foundation. It's a decent foundation. You can try that. But according to me, I'll suggest this one. You can blindly trust on this foundation. So yeah, for foundation I'll suggest only this one. So the next thing that you need in your makeup kit is a concealer. So for concealer I have two options, but now I have only one because I don't know where I have kept the other one. The first one that I'll suggest is from Swiss Beauty. I'll mention one picture right over here. It's from Swiss Beauty. That is their Swiss Beauty liquid concealer and I'm in the shade 03 Light Moon. And you can get it from Nykaa, Amazon, from anywhere you can want. And the most important thing, the price of it is rupees 199. Like seriously, and it has full coverage. Like mark my words, it has full coverage. I wonder how can they make such an amazing product at that price point. Like seriously, how can they make such an amazing product? like so cheap, and the quality is, oh my god, it's to die for. So the next concealer that I'll suggest is from Maybelline. This is their Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium. It's again a decent concealer, but it does not have a full coverage. It has a medium coverage, and if you want you can get this as well, because this is also a very nice concealer, and Maybelline as a brand, oh my god, I love that brand. And the cost of it is rupees 475. That's how the wand looks like. It's a very nice concealer. You can try this as well. So after concealer you need a powder to set all these things. So for compact I'm suggesting you this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. It looks something like this. It comes with a puff as well. This is how the powder looks, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. It's very affordable. The cost of it is rupees 199 only, and even on discount you can get it less than 199. And for compact I'll suggest only one, because I don't use compact that much, because I'm a loose powder person and I don't have any loose powder under rupees 500, because I have two loose powders only, and one is for rupees 600 and the other one is for rupees 800. So I cannot include them in this video, so I'm including this compact powder. But if you want you can use a loose powder as well. In an affordable range, in loose powders you can try the Swiss Beauty one, you can try the Blue Heaven one, and you can try the Miss Claire one as well. But I don't know how are they, because I haven't used them yet. I use the Maybelline Fit Me one and the K Beauty loose powder, and both of them are amazing, like A class. So yeah, for compact I'm suggesting this one, the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. So now you need a blush for your makeup. So the blush that I'll suggest is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is how it looks. This is the outer packaging, by the way. This is how it looks. It does not come with a mirror. This is how the shade looks, and this shade is 01 Peach Pink. Oh no, it's 01 Peach Peak. It's a nice blush. It's a decent blush. You can get this one as well, and the cost of it is rupees 349. Just imagine you are getting a sugar product at rupees 349. This is a very nice blush, and I have another option also, but I cannot include that in this video because it is again above rupees 500. So yeah, and for bronzer or contour I'll suggest this one. This is again from Sugar. This is their Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. See, it looks something like this. It's a warm toned bronzer. It has another shade as well, and I guess the name is Topper. I guess the name is something like that. I don't know. This is a decent bronzer. You can get this one as well, and the cost of it is rupees 399, which is again affordable and under rupees 500. And the next thing that you need is a highlighter, obviously. For highlighter again I'm suggesting it from Sugar. This is their Contour D-Force Mini Highlighter 01 Champagne Champion, and just look at the highlighter. See, it's so good, and I'm showing you the swatch. It's buttery soft, and just look at the glow. It's so good. It's so good. You can get this one. I have more options in highlighter, but I cannot show them in this video because most of them are above rupees 600, so I cannot show them in this video. But you can get this one as well, the Sugar one. It's a very pretty highlighter. So now we will move on to the eyes. For eyes, first I'll suggest one kajal. The kajal that I'll suggest is this one. This is from Sugar again. This is the Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal 01 Blackout. It's a very nice kajal. See, it's a very nice kajal. I'm showing you the swatch. See, it's so creamy and it's jet black, but it is not smudge proof. See, it's not a smudge proof kajal, but it is a very nice kajal. It stays in your waterline for a long time and it's a decent kajal. You can use it. What else should I say about this? The cost of the kajal is for rupees 250. It's under rupees 500 and it's affordable, and it's from Sugar mainly. And for eyeliner I have two options. The first one is this one. This is the Lakme Insta Liner. This is the water resistant eyeliner. I guess everybody has this. And this is a nice eyeliner, but it's not waterproof. It's water resistance, but it's not waterproof. So keep that in mind. Overall it's a decent eyeliner. And the second one is again from Lakme. This is their Lakme Iconic Liner. I'm showing you the swatch. It looks something like this. See, it's a very nice eyeliner and it is water resistant and it is waterproof as well. It's a very nice eyeliner, jet black, and see, it's jet black. You can get this one. So for eyeliner I'm suggesting these two, and both of these are from Lakme. And the cost of this one is for rupees 250 and this is for rupees 120. You can get any one of these. And for mascara I'll suggest this one, one of my favorite. This is from Maybelline. This is their Hyper Curl Mascara. This is not the waterproof variant, and you can get this one. See, the wand looks something like this. Can you see it? It's a nice mascara. See, it's a decent mascara. It adds volume to your lashes and also it curls up your lashes. It's a decent mascara. You can try this, and the cost of it is rupees 310, but on discount you will get it at rupees 250 or maybe less than that. So wait till the offer comes. So now it's time for eyeshadow. The three affordable eyeshadows I'll show are these. These are from Mars Cosmetics, and these eyeshadow, oh my god, one of the best eyeshadows that I've ever used. And the most shocking thing is the cost of it is rupees 199. Like, can you imagine, 199, and you are getting such amazing palettes. So this is their Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow. So the first shade that I have is this one. This is in the shade Smoke It Up. This is how the color looks, and I'm showing you the pigmentation. See, the pigmentation, oh my god. These are very nice. You can get this one. The second variant that I have is Lit It Up, in the variant Lit It Up. See the color story. Oh my god, I'm in love with these colors, and I'm showing you the swatches. Just look at the swatches. I'm bad at swatching things, so please bear with that. And the next shade that I'll suggest is Oozing Swagger. And just look at the color story. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Like seriously, these are so pretty. Just look at the swatches. Oh damn. See, as a beginner you can obviously try these, and and these retail for rupees 199. This is their Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow. You will not get them at Nykaa or Purple. You will get them at Amazon or Flipkart, or you can get them from Cuffs and Lashes. Now it's time for a makeup fixer. For makeup fixer, I'll suggest this one. This is their Swiss Beauty makeup fixer with aloe vera and vitamin E. The cost of it is rupees 200, maybe not more than that, and on offer you can get it at 160 or 150 also. The spray is quite decent. I'm showing you the spray. Can you see it? It's a nice makeup fixer. You can get this one. It fixes your makeup and it obviously gives you a dewy finish. It's not a matte makeup fixer, it will give you a dewy finish. So yeah, you can get this one. So yeah, that's it for today. These are all the products that I've suggested you. Only one product is above rupees 500 and rest of all the products are less than rupees 500. And don't invest much on makeup if you are a beginner. Without any knowledge, don't invest much on makeup, because there are lots and lots of product which are like too expensive, but at the end of the day they does not do any job. Like there are some products which cost for rupees 1000, 1200, 1500, but they don't do any work. Like they are the useless products that I'll say. So without any knowledge, don't invest much on makeup. So I'll make another video on this same topic only, but it will be under rupees 1000. Like this one is for beginners makeup kit under rupees 500, and the next one will be on beginners makeup kit under rupees 1000. So wait till then, and that's it for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you wanna follow me on Instagram, my handle will be provided in the description box, and my handle is anusha.18. You can follow me on Instagram for some personal updates. So yeah, that's it for today. Take care. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.